Hi students. Let's see how much you've learned in this chapter. Here's a quick revision of everything you've studied and learned so far. At the end, don't forget to share your score in the comments. You'll find the full playlist in the description below. What are the life processes essential for the survival of living beings? Option A: nutrition, respiration, excretion, reproduction. Option B: eating, sleeping, breathing, growing. Option C: breathing, sleeping, moving, eating. Option D: drinking, eating, sleeping, working. The correct answer is nutrition, respiration, excretion, reproduction. What is the initial process of breaking down food in the mouth called? Option A: chemical digestion. Option B: mechanical digestion. Option C: absorption. Option D: egestion. The correct answer is mechanical digestion. What role does saliva play in digestion? Option A: it helps in chewing food. Option B: it breaks down starch into sugar. Option C: it absorbs nutrients. Option D: it moistens the food. The correct answer is it breaks down starch into sugar. What is the function of the esophagus? Option A: to absorb nutrients. Option B: to store food. Option C: to transport food to the stomach. Option D: to break down food. The correct answer is to transport food to the stomach. What does the stomach secrete to aid digestion? Option A: bile. Option B: saliva. Option C: digestive juice, acid, and mucus. Option D: pancreatic juice. The correct answer is digestive juice, acid, and mucus. What is the primary function of the small intestine? Option A: digestion of food. Option B: absorption of nutrients. Option C: storage of food. Option D: egestion of waste. The correct answer is absorption of nutrients. What is the role of bile in digestion? Option A: to break down proteins. Option B: to neutralize stomach acid and break down fats. Option C: to absorb nutrients. Option D: to secrete digestive juices. The correct answer is to neutralize stomach acid and break down fats. What is the main function of the large intestine? Option A: digestion of carbohydrates. Option B: absorption of water and salts. Option C: production of digestive juices. Option D: storage of nutrients. The correct answer is absorption of water and salts. What is the semi-solid waste expelled from the body called? Option A: feces. Option B: stool. Option C: urine. Option D: digestive waste. The correct answer is stool. What is the process of removing waste from the body called? Option A: digestion. Option B: egestion. Option C: absorption. Option D: excretion. The correct answer is egestion. What type of animals are called ruminants? Option A. Animals that eat meat. Option B. Animals that chew cud. Option C. Aquatic animals. Option D. Birds. The correct answer is animals that chew cud. What is respiration? Option A. The process of eating. Option B. The process of breaking down food. Option C. The process of converting nutrients into energy. Option D. The process of excreting waste. The correct answer is the process of converting nutrients into energy. What is the main difference between breathing and respiration? Option A. Breathing is chemical, respiration is physical. Option B. Breathing is physical, respiration is chemical. Option C. Both are the same. Option D. Breathing occurs in the stomach. The correct answer is breathing is physical, respiration is chemical. What is the role of the diaphragm in breathing? Option A. To filter air. Option B. To help in inhalation and exhalation. Option C. To absorb oxygen. Option D. To produce sound. The correct answer is to help in inhalation and exhalation. How do fish breathe? Option A. Through lungs. Option B. Through gills. Option C. Through skin. Option D. Through nostrils. The correct answer is through gills. What is the primary gas exchanged in the alveoli? Option A. Oxygen. Option B. Carbon monoxide. Option C. Nitrogen. Option D. Hydrogen. The correct answer is oxygen. What happens to the lime water when carbon dioxide is exhaled into it? Option A. It turns clear. Option B. It turns milky. Option C. It changes color. Option D. It bubbles. The correct answer is it turns milky. What is the function of the circulatory system? Option A. To digest food. Option B. To transport nutrients and oxygen. Option C. To absorb water. Option D. To excrete waste. The correct answer is to transport nutrients and oxygen. What is the main purpose of the respiratory system? Option A. To digest food. Option B. To facilitate gas exchange. Option C. To transport blood. Option D. To absorb nutrients. The correct answer is to facilitate gas exchange. What is the term for the breakdown of food into simpler substances? Option A. Absorption. Option B. Digestion. Option C. Egestion. Option D. Respiration. The correct answer is digestion. What is the primary source of energy for the body? Option A. Vitamins. Option B. Minerals. Option C. Glucose. Option D. Water. The correct answer is glucose. What is the role of the liver in digestion? Option A. To produce digestive juices. Option B. to secrete bile. Option C, to absorb nutrients. Option D, to store food. The correct answer is to secrete bile. What is the function of the alveoli in the lungs? Option A, to absorb nutrients. Option B, to exchange gases. Option C, to produce mucus. Option D, to filter air. The correct answer is to exchange gases. What happens to the nutrients after they are absorbed in the small intestine? Option A, they are excreted. Option B, they are stored in the liver. Option C, they are transported via blood to the body. Option D, they are digested further. The correct answer is, they are transported via blood to the body. Which part of the digestive system is responsible for the final absorption of water? Option A, small intestine. Option B, large intestine. Option C, stomach. Option D, mouth. The correct answer is large intestine. What is the main function of the pancreas in digestion? Option A, to produce bile. Option B, to secrete insulin. Option C, to produce pancreatic juice. Option D, to absorb nutrients. The correct answer is to produce pancreatic juice. What is the main purpose of chewing food? Option A, to make it taste better. Option B, to break it down into smaller pieces. Option C, to absorb nutrients. Option D, to mix it with saliva. The correct answer is to break it down into smaller pieces. What is the role of mucus in the respiratory system? Option A, to absorb oxygen. Option B, to trap dust and dirt. Option C, to produce sound. Option D, to facilitate gas exchange. The correct answer is to trap dust and dirt. What is the main function of the rib cage? Option A, to protect the heart and lungs. Option B, to aid in digestion. Option C, to absorb nutrients. Option D, to produce blood. The correct answer is to protect the heart and lungs. What is the process of breaking down glucose with oxygen called? Option A, digestion. Option B, excretion. Option C, respiration. Option D, circulation. The correct answer is respiration. What is the primary function of the digestive system? Option A, to absorb oxygen. Option B, to break down food. Option C, to transport blood. Option D, to excrete waste. The correct answer is to break down food. What is the term for the waste product expelled from the body? Option A, feces. Option B, urine. Option C, sweat. Option D, saliva. The correct answer is feces. What do we call animals that have lungs and breathe air? Option A, aquatic animals. Option B, amphibians. Option C, terrestrial animals. Option D, ruminants. The correct answer is terrestrial animals. What is the primary function of the heart? Option A, to digest food. Option B, to pump blood. Option C, to absorb nutrients. Option D, to filter air. The correct answer is to pump blood. What is the role of bacteria in the large intestine? Option A, to produce bile. Option B, to aid in digestion. Option C, to absorb nutrients. Option D, to produce mucus. The correct answer is to aid in digestion. What is the main purpose of breathing exercises? Option A, to improve digestion. Option B, to enhance respiratory health. Option C, to increase appetite. Option D, to reduce stress. The correct answer is to enhance respiratory health. What is the term for the process of taking in air? Option A, inhalation. Option B, exhalation. Option C, respiration. Option D, digestion. The correct answer is inhalation. What is the term for the process of expelling air? Option A, inhalation. Option B, exhalation. Option C, respiration. Option D, digestion. The correct answer is exhalation.